Namaste. This is Deepak Thapa from Closine Academy. I am a social teacher of this school. All the YouTube viewers, today I am going to teach the social subject of class 10, unit 1, lesson 2. The topic is Human Development Index and Nepal. First, before starting this lesson, we should know what is development. Development is a progressive and positive changes seen and felt around us. As we can see, physical development with our 2 eyes and other types of development, changes in behavior are felt. That is also the symbol of development. But here, today we are going to learn about Human Development Index. What is human development? The all-around development of a human regarding basic needs. Here we can say fulfillment of basic needs such as food, housing, clothing, education, entertainment, and other skills, knowledges, freedom, opportunities in different sectors are, if the factors are changed, then we can say that is human development. Such as a poor person is able to fulfill his basic needs, as well as if he gets an opportunity as a job, and if he can easily fulfill his family's basic needs, he supports to develop the society and the nation, then it is called human development. Here, today, not only human development, we are going to learn about Human Development Index. Human Development Index is the indicator that shows the level of achievements of progress in 3 basic dimensions. What are the 3 basic dimensions of the SDI? The first one is long and healthy life. The second one is knowledge. And the third one is decent standard of living. Before 1990, before the concept emerged in 1990, people used to think the development of country depends on only the per capita income or GDP of the country. But after the economist Amartya Sen and Mahbub ul Haq propounded not only per capita income, but the social factors, political factors also affect the development of country. Then the SDI was found by the economists Amartya Sen and Mahbub-ul-Haq. Long and healthy life refers to a person of the country, how long they live. If they live for a long life, that is considered to be one of the SDI factor. Another is knowledge. Here knowledge refers to how qualified the people of that country are. If the people of the country are educated, knowledgeable, then they can get a better job and they can have a better earnings and they can survive as a quality of life. It means they can live a standard of living. The indicators of SDI are life expectancy at birth, education, and per capita income. As I already told you, before 1990, only per capita income or GDP was considered how much the country developed or underdeveloped. After the invention of SDI, education and life expectancy were also included to find out how much the country developed. The last point, the dimension indices. The dimension indices are life expectancy index. It is related to long and healthy life, how long the people live in the country. Another point is education index. This is related to the people of that country are educated or not, and what percentage of people are educated in that country. Another point is income index. Income index is related to the decent standard of living. If they have high income, then they can live a standard life. Now, my students, I am going to tell you the definition of SDI. SDI is the composite statistics of life expectancy, education, and per capita income indicators, which is used to rank countries into 4 tiers of human development. They are very high human development, high human development, medium human development, and low human development. The SDI is expressed between 0 to 1. Here the 0 refers to the lowest SDI and the 1 refers to the highest SDI of the main country. Now, the ranks of the SDI are divided into 4. Very high SDI ranges from 0.8 to 1. Then after high human development ranges 0 or 0.7 to 0.799. Medium human development ranges from 0.550 to 0.699. Then the countries which SDI are below 0.550 are in low human development rank. In this way, today we learn about Human Development Index, and in next episode we will learn about how to calculate the SDI of any country of the world. Thank you.
Glow Shine Academy Secondary School, Khairani 8, Parsa, Chitwan.